Woman turns down a man's advances at a gas station, and her boyfriend winds up getting pistol whipped. He suffered a broken nose and a broken thumb in the assault. Tonight, DeKalb County police say that the attackers remain on the loose. The couple shared their frightening story with Fox 5's Rob DiRienzo.
It was supposed to be a quick pit stop for gas before Caitlin and Gabriel French went out to celebrate the new year. What happened next completely upended their plans and sent Gabriel to the emergency room.
All of this for what? Like, why did we deserve this?
It was a terrifying matter of minutes for the couple at this Valero gas station on Candler Road in DeKalb County on New Year's Eve. They say they were brutally attacked in the food mart after Caitlin declined a stranger's romantic advances.
He came into the aisle and tried to size me up at one point, and the clerk comes up and goes, hey, it's not worth it. It's New Year's. And I'm like, yeah, whatever, it is New Year's. So it's like, hey, happy New Year's, buddy. But
then Gabriel says the guy slapped his girlfriend on the butt, and that's when they got into it. Before he knew it, 2 or 3 other guys came in with guns.
The guy was trying to pull my hood over my head. And so I'm like trying to get out of my own jacket so I can now fight both of them. And then before you know it, then there's another guy coming around the other side of me.
When all was said and done, Gabriel says his nose was broken and so was one of his thumbs. The couple snapped a picture of this red Mercedes SUV they say the guys were in. They also say gas station surveillance video may have captured the license plate, but we were not able to get that footage.
I don't understand what level of entitlement people have where they think that they can just, disrespect women and, talk to them any kind of way. And then when they don't get their way, you treat them even worse.
A spokesperson for DeKalb Police says they have not identified any of the suspects. The charges they could face include battery and aggravated assault. Rob DiRienzo, Fox 5 News.